Hey friends, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to talk about decomposing and using number bonds. So our learning goal for today says, I can decompose numbers using number bonds to subtract from 100. So today in our lesson, we're going to be breaking apart to get 100 out from our number to make it easier to subtract. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson are just your dry erase board. So make sure you have that before you get started. All right, friends. So here's our first problem. We have 107 minus 90. So as I'm looking to try and solve this problem, I have to think to myself, can we break apart the 107 by making 100 and some ones? Can I break that apart that way? Yeah, you bet I can, right? So I'm going to break apart this 107 and take out my 100. So there's my 100. And then what's left? Yeah, just 7 ones. So now I'm able to take this 100 and subtract 90 much easier as a new problem. So 100 minus 90 equals 10. And I know that because I could say, well, 90 plus 10 more is 100. Or I could say, well, 100 is 10 tens and 90 is 9 tens. So 10 tens minus 9 tens equals 110, which is 10. Okay. Well, so am I finished? Did I solve this whole problem? Not yet, right? Because I have this over here from my 107 that I haven't done anything yet with. So I need to add that back in. And I'm not subtracting for this part because I've already done my subtracting with minus 90. So now I'm just adding it back in. So now I have 10 plus 7 equals 17. So 107 minus 90 equals 17. So hopefully, friends, that might be an easier strategy for you than trying to break apart or trying to subtract, maybe using the vertical form. All right, let's take a look at another one. So here we have 127 minus 70. So can we take out the 100 again? Yeah, we sure can, right? So if we take out the 100, I have 100, and then you can kind of, friends, almost cover up the 100, the 1 in the hundreds place with your finger to see what you have left. And if I do that, I'm left with 27. So now I can do my subtracting. 100 minus 70. That's an easy one, right? That's 10 tens minus 7 tens. So 10 minus 7 is 3 tens. So that's 30. So now look at your number bond and add back in the rest. Okay, so you guys are going to pause the video, write on your board, what's the new addition sentence to add back in the rest that we didn't add yet? Okay, we had that 100, we had that other part left. So solve that part of the problem on your dry erase board. And then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends. So here we have 27 and 30. Those are what's left. So we would add 30 plus 27. That equals 57. So 127 minus 70 equals 57. Okay? All right, let's look at another one. So here we have 133 minus 60. So what should we do first? Yeah, we want to break apart 100, right? We need that 100 out, so it's easier for us to subtract the 60. So you guys are going to pause the video, break out the 100, and then subtract your 60. And just do those 2 steps, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, let's talk about how we can do this. So we're going to break apart that 133 into 100, and then just break apart what's left, which is just 33. Now I can subtract my 60, so I have 100 minus 60. That equals 40. So what's next, friends? Yeah, we have to add what's left. So you guys are going to pause the video, add back in what's left, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, here we go. So what's left is 33 and 40. So if I add those together, it's nice with that 0 because it's a friendly number, right? So I could add my tens. 4 tens plus 3 tens is 7 tens. And then just add back in my 3 ones, which is 73. So 133 minus 60 equals 73. All right, friends, here's a whole new problem. 128 minus 70. So you guys are going to pause this video, solve the whole problem, break out that 100, subtract the 70, add back in what's left to solve the problem. And then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. So I'm going to break apart this 128. I'm going to take out the 100, then I'm left with 28. So now I can easily subtract 100 minus 70, which equals 30. Then I have to add what's left, which is my 28 and my 30. And 30 plus 28 equals 58. Okay, so 128 minus 70 equals 58. All right, did you guys get that one? Okay, awesome. If not, let's do another one for more practice. So here we have 139 minus 60. So again, you guys are going to pause this video. You're going to break out that 100, then subtract your 60, and add what's left over. Okay, so go ahead and solve this problem. Click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends. So pause if you need more time. All right, so here we're going to break out my 100, and then what I have left over is 39. Now I could subtract 100 minus 60. That's 40. Now I have to add what's back, or add back in what's left. So I have my 39 and my 40. 39 plus 40, or 49 plus, or 40 plus 39, same problem, is 79. So 139 minus 60 equals 79. All right, friends, you guys rock. Great job using those number bonds to subtract from 100. So please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends!